Welcome to Linux Geek Lab. Today, we're exploring the powerful journalctl command for navigating system logs. Why journalctl? Essential for understanding system events, diagnose issues, monitor system behavior, and gain insights. Journalctl command provides a chronological list of system events, your first step in exploring the system logs. Need specifics? Use since and until for logs within a date range. Tailor your view to focus on relevant time periods. Now, let's talk real-time. The F flag with journalctl is a game changer. It allows you to follow logs as they happen. This is incredibly useful for monitoring events in real time, especially when troubleshooting or keeping an eye on system activity. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave your comments below. Happy logging, and stay tuned for more Linux tips here at Linux Geek Lab. See you next time.